Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your voice from TikTok videos. So if you recorded a video but you hear yourself in it or the background noise, here's how you can remove it. So open up your TikTok app, and if you already have the video, just upload it. If you don't, let's say record it and I will speak. Test. And now if I click on the check mark, you can hear my voice. So to change that, I go to volume and turn down the original sound, and now nothing will be heard. And now you can add your music, text to speech or whatever, but this is the best way to remove your voice from the video. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this video didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to fix it.